Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to teach you guys how to prepare yam porridge. This is vivissimic show. These are the ingredients I'm using to prepare the porridge yam. Yam already peeled, onion, sweet pepper and pepper, maggi and salt, crayfish, spinach, red oil, oba or baka, and smoked fish. Let's get started.
Now you put the yam inside the pot, add water. After adding water, you add salt, add all the whole ingredients you are using to cook the food, like onions, crayfish, pepper, sweet pepper, maggi, all the whole ingredients. You have to add everything. Then after adding it all, you cover the pot for everything to cook together. If you are new in this video, please don't forget to subscribe. I say thank you for all my subscribers. Thank you to you all. Don't forget to like, comment, hit the notification bell, share to your beloved ones. Then now, as you can see, the yam is well cooked. It's now soft and it is well cooked, and all the whole ingredients is well mixed. Now I'm adding opaka or oba. Stir everything together. Make sure that your yam is soft before you put your opaka. And after adding opaka, I'm going to add vegetable, spinach and another onion together. After adding the vegetable, I will not allow it to cook long. I'll just off the gas, turn everything together. As we can see, the yam porridge is ready. It looks so delicious. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for your support. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Wow, porridge yam. Look at the outcome of the porridge yam. So sweet. Thank you. Ciao.